putting the band back together.
Forget it. No way.
We're on a mission from God.
Well team, we made it to Martinborough. This is the Martinborough Square. It's lovely and windy and cold here at the moment, and we're just trying to find out where our stand is, because we're setting up tomorrow at 4 in the morning. So we thought we'd come down now in the daylight. We're pretty sure this is it. Basically they just have a whole lot of grids spray painted out with no numbers on them, so you've got to figure it out for yourself. You've also got to figure out where your path goes. So we're pretty sure we're here. Not a bad spot under the trees if it gets sunny. Yeah, sorted.
The next morning.
Good morning team, it is 4:30 a.m. I'm just about to begin setting up. As you can see behind me, people were in full swing already, been setting up since last night. So yeah, this place will go pretty crazy soon with the setup, so I thought I'll get in early. Yeah, sorry, still half asleep. I'll check in with you in a bit.
A few moments later.
Well, that concludes the Martinborough Fair. We are back here again in March for another fair. So first weekend of March. We'll probably take a different route, have a slightly different adventure that time. Thanks for coming along. What? If you like the video, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, anything you like. Hey, we're a family. Do what you like. Thanks for stopping by.